Are you tired of searching through your Gmail messages to find attachments? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily view all attachment messages on Gmail on your PC with the new update. The first step is to open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, click on the All Mail label from the left sidebar. This will display all of your emails in one place. Next, click on the filter icon located in the search box at the top of the screen. This will open up a menu where you can specify your search criteria. Check the box next to Has Attachment in the search options. This will ensure that only messages with attachments are displayed in your search results. After checking the box, click on the Search button to apply the filter. Now, you'll see a list of all the messages in your inbox that have attachments. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can quickly and easily view all attachment messages on Gmail on your PC. Give it a try and see how much time you can save.